Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on January 29, 2026, about 6 days ago. It introduces a new open-source tool that bridges the gap between high-overhead simulators and rigid minimal environments by combining GPU-accelerated physics with a flexible, modular API. The paper is titled mjlab, a lightweight framework for GPU-accelerated robot learning. And as we'll see later, the framework's ability to streamline the sim-to-real pipeline is quite significant. So, to visualize what this capability looks like in practice, Figure 1 displays a simulation crowded with Unitree G1 humanoid robots. These agents are performing a dance policy trained via a motion tracking pipeline. The image demonstrates the framework scale, because thousands of these parallel environments are running simultaneously on a single GPU. All of this is rendered in mjlab's web-based visor viewer, allowing researchers to inspect massive batches of data effortlessly. Alright, Figure 1 showed the visual output. Now Figure 2 details the underlying architecture. The pipeline begins at the top with modular entities, where users define the robot, objects like a cube, and the terrain using Python or configuration files. These components combine into a unified model that runs on the mjlab warp engine, handling physics for thousands of worlds on the GPU. From there, the manager-based environment orchestrates the learning process, organizing observations, rewards, and commands to feed the training algorithm at the bottom. So, while the architecture diagram listed terrain as a component, Figure 3 visualizes the actual output. It shows a composite terrain grid generated by mjlab, stitched together from different obstacle types to test robot agility. You can spot distinct challenges like blue-stepped pyramids and deep red pits, sitting alongside uneven green, wavy patterns. Crucially, the difficulty increases along one axis, which supports curriculum-based training, where agents gradually face tougher ground as they improve. Well, Figure 3 set the stage with terrains, and now Figure 4 introduces the actors. This image displays the 3 reference robot morphologies that ship directly with mjlab. On the left stands the Unitree G1 humanoid, designed for testing bipedal locomotion. The center shows the Unitree Go1 quadruped, which serves as a robust baseline for stability on rough ground. Finally, the YAM robot arm on the right demonstrates that the framework handles stationary manipulation tasks just as effectively as mobile robotics. Wrapping up, the key takeaway is that mjlab successfully merges the speed of GPU-accelerated physics with a modular Python-native design. This significantly lowers the barrier for entry, enabling complex sim-to-real research without the usual infrastructure headaches. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.